Hey guys, check out how I transform my dry, undefined curls into these nice, bouncy, shiny, more defined curls. So, my hair has been in this bun for about a week. My eyebrows need to be done, so please ignore that. But with my job, it's so hard to keep it with my curls, so I usually just throw it up in the bun after the weekend. So it's so super dry. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair has been. Have bobby pins hidden all up in here. It's just a hot mess. But it doesn't smell that bad. But I just want to show you guys how atrocious this looks. So the shampoo I use is the Cantu Shea Butter Color Protecting Shampoo with Quinoa ProTech. And the conditioner I use is Hair Food. It's sulfate free. It's the hair milk conditioner infused with jasmine and vanilla fragrance. So time to wash. And I'm back. So I always dry my hair with a cotton t-shirt. And this is how my hair looks freshly washed. Still kind of dry, still frizzy, has no products in it. So the night before I go out anywhere, I always try to do a treatment. So what I use is the Cantu Shea Butter Intense Repair Deep Treatment Mask. So how I first start is I part my hair. I start from the bottom. And it comes a good amount in here. So this packet I actually got from Target and it was only like $1.50. This treatment is very thick. And what I usually just do is just rake it through my hair. Pay more attention to the ends of my hair because it's super dry. So with the directions of this mask, it says you can leave it in for 15 minutes or leave it in for overnight for fragile transitioning over processed hair, which is basically my hair since my hair is colored. So now that I put it all up in my hair, I make sure I get every single drop. I need all the moisture that I can get. I rub it all in my scalp. And I just put it up in a small little bun. Then I put my deep conditioning shower cap on. And also my sleeping little sack. Tuck that all in. Then I go to sleep. Night. And good morning, I'm back. And I'm ready to take this off. I'm ready to wash it in cold water. And this is how my hair looks after the mask. Still looks about the same, but it's definitely much softer. So now it's time to style my hair. Always start from the bottom again in sections. The first thing I use is the Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum. I use one pump and I just rake it through my hair again. And this definitely helps with frizz. I just started adding this to my routine. It says to add it to wet hair, so that's what I do. Next I go in with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Leave-In Conditioner. It's already halfway gone. It smells so good, but I use a good amount of it for each part of my hair to prevent the frizz. So I rake it through my hair again. Another thing I added to my routine is using my Denman brush. So I take sections and I start from the bottom and start combing it out. And this has been helping me define my curls to a great amount. I usually just do like a regular wash and go, but ever since I started using this Denman brush, I noticed a difference. Next, I go with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. Put it through my hair again. Then I scrunch. And you could already see the difference, how defined, not frizzy anymore. That's one thing that I really love about these products. Not only that they smell amazing, but you can just see the difference right away once you put it in your hair. And I just continue this process all throughout my hair, adding all these steps, scrunching, and my hair dries super fast. So sometimes I have to go in and wet it. So you see the difference with product, without product. So I got this last piece next. So this is how my hair is with all the product that's in. Super moisturized. But I don't really like my hair that wet, so I wait and let it air dry. This is when I do my makeup, get Makenzie ready, do a whole bunch of chores or whatever I gotta do just to let it air dry. And I'm back with a whole new face with my makeup done. My hair is about 90% dry. As you can tell the difference, it's so much better than when it's wet. And I always go in again with the Frieda Frizz Ease Serum just to give it some shine, help any little frizziness in any sections. I just rub it all in, always massage my scalp. But as you can see, nicely defined curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.